My name is Vinod Subramanian. I'm the Vice President for Technology Clusters at Invest India. India has been on a growth journey with a lot of focus on making India towards our approach to Viksit Bharat. Over the last 5 years, we have seen electronics industry doing exceptionally well with mobile manufacturing crossing $1 billion. The next wave probably is going to be MedTech. MedTech is today an $11 billion industry in the country, with about 90% of that actually being imported. And if we need to scale up this to our dream of reaching $50 billion by 2030, as per the Government of India's aspirations and ambitions, who do we look as partners in growth and partners in support? The first name that comes to mind is Amtz. Set up 6 years back, with an investment of 10,000 rupees, they have grown into more than $1 billion in revenues already. And they are the trendsetters. What is unique about Amtz, as we experienced in the visit this time, is their ability to bring in the complete ecosystem into one place. Work collaboratively with all the players in the industry, whether you're talking about providing land with approvals from the government, equipments and machinery that is required for certification, bringing in the right talent who can actually collaborate with the industry and understand their needs and articulate to them what is special about India and how India can add value to their growth. There's nothing that even comes close to Amtz. And exceptional work done over the last 6 years. There are 150 plus companies already signed up, a lot of them already manufacturing and giving a fight to the rest of the global players in terms of the manufacturing capability in India. There's a lot more to come, and from Invest India, we look forward to really working collaboratively with Amtz. Invest India is India's investment promotion agency, and our charter is to drive investments into the country as we grow towards Viksit Bharat. Thank you very much, and good luck to Amtz.